Planets in astrology. Mars is our will, our ability to act, something which is connected to passion, also to dance, sports, and also the negative side, like competition. I mean, when it's like wars and things like that, competition could be positive as well. Mars is also connected to, in a way, also to the ego, but that's kind of the desire to achieve, the desire to reach something, do it fast also, because also often Mars, especially in signs which are faster, for example, air or fire, Mars is a bit more dynamic, than, for example, Mars and water. Mars also signifies focus, and Mars signifies something like aggression, violence, unfortunately, and things like that. In a way, Mars also signifies possession, which is, like in relationships, jealous people would have like a more acute Mars energy. Overall, it's just Mars is some kind of archetype which finds difficult to stand still and to just be passive. So Mars retrograde usually is not like the best ever time because for those who like to be active and proactive. However, it also has its own benefits. Follow for more astrology tutorials, tips and insights.